Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Suma. In our previous lesson, we learned about pronouns. Today, we're going to learn about verbs, one of the most important parts of English grammar. Every sentence needs a verb because a verb tells us what someone or something does or what state they are in. Let's begin. A verb is a word that shows an action, a state, or an occurrence. It tells us what the subject does, what the subject is, or what happens. Without a verb, a sentence is incomplete. Words like run, eat, read, sleep, and is are all verbs. Verbs are the heart of every sentence. They help us describe actions, express a state or condition, and talk about events. Without a verb, we cannot form a complete sentence. There are many types of verbs. In this lesson, we'll learn 5 important types: action verbs, linking verbs, helping verbs, transitive verbs, and intransitive verbs. An action verb tells us what someone or something does. It describes a physical or mental action. Examples include run, write, sing, and play. In the sentence, the boy runs fast, the word runs is the action verb because it tells us what the boy does. A linking verb connects the subject to a word or phrase that describes or identifies it. Common linking verbs are am, is, are, was, and were. In the sentence, she is a doctor, the word is links the subject, she, to the description, a doctor. A helping verb works with the main verb to complete its meaning. It helps show tense, ability, or possibility. In the sentence, she is reading a book, the word is the helping verb, and reading is the main verb. A transitive verb always has a direct object that receives the action. In the sentence, she wrote a letter, the verb is wrote, and the object is letter. Without the object, the meaning is incomplete. An intransitive verb expresses a complete action without needing an object. In the sentence, the baby cried, the verb, cried, gives a complete meaning by itself, so no object is needed. Let's do a quick quiz. In the sentence, she sings beautifully, the verb is sings. In the sentence, they are playing football, the helping verb is are, and the main verb is playing. If you got both answers right, well done. Let's quickly revise today's lesson. A verb is a word that shows an action, a state, or an occurrence. We learned why verbs are important and studied 5 common types: action verbs, linking verbs, helping verbs, transitive verbs, and intransitive verbs. Thank you for watching. In the next lesson, we'll learn about adjectives. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to English with Suma. See you in the next video.